Welcome Year 9 to your revision instructions. Okay, this is then to help you use the resources from the website as efficiently and effectively as possible. Now, when you actually click onto the button, right, what you'll find that the first page shows Year 9 instructions, which are the video you're watching at the moment. It takes 13 weeks to go through this full kind of revision program, right the way until the end of the year. And what happens once you start, it then flows week by week. So you've got week 1, week 2, week 3, 4, 5, 6, etc., etc. A typical kind of unit is split up into 2 weeks. Okay, so it's like a 2-week section. Week 1, what you'll do is you'll do your knowledge test questions. What you do is you play that video, right? And what it does, it comes up with all those blank questions, and you then need to write down into your exercise book the answers to those questions. When you've done that, you then play this video here, and this video then gives you all the answers to the previous questions. Once you've then gone through it, once you've marked it, once you've checked out what you don't know, what I recommend you do is to play that video again, and then as you go through the video, make sure that you know the answers to every single one of the questions that's in there. So that's the first week, and that's kind of like the revision part of it. Week 2 is then where you're going to be answering long questions. And what you'll do is you'll go to session number 1 or whatever session it is, play the video, and at the end of the video there'll be probably 5 questions. And those 5 questions need to be written out, and then you need to write out your answers in full sentences using as much scientific information as you possibly can. This video here is a support video for that, but what I can do is I can tell you that all the answers for session 1 will be on this video here. Now, some of the weeks, what they'll do is they'll have a required practical in them, because obviously required practicals are incredibly important when it comes around to your GCSEs. So week 3 happens to be the microscope required practical. And what you do is you play session 2 first, and what it does, it runs through exactly what you've then got to do. You've then got the video that shows you how to actually complete the microscope required practical. You then need to write all this up into your exercise books again. In addition to this, read around any of the subjects that you're talking about and use your exercise books that you've then written in class. Good luck. The more work you put into this, the better your results are going to be.